What up, guys? We are back. It's the next day. We just called it a day earlier yesterday. Just took an easy day. Took the evening off, relaxed. We didn't really do much. You see the blaze in the background. We'll show you where we're at on the big scratch. You guys got to see the debadging yesterday. There is one thing I want to show you about the debadging. We'll get you flipped around here so you can see. The Echo Boost or whatever it was that was there is gone. The one back there, the big sticker is gone. You really can't see anything. It's down to where it needs to be. It's a newer truck, so the paint hasn't faded so much, so it matches what is underneath, so it's really easy to do. But these we could not pull off really. They have posts behind here that actually go through the fender, so if I peel that off, he's gonna have two holes in his fender, guys, so we can't really do that right now. So I think he's gonna see if he can find ones that are all black instead of chrome, and then we'll get these off here, clean up behind it, and we'll press the new ones on that are black. Maybe we'll show you that in a later update. We picked up some things to work a little bit on the scratch. We'll show you guys down the side. As you can see, it's almost not visible, but there's remnants of it there still a little bit. If you notice, I don't know if you can tell here where we rubbed, the paint is a little dulled, but that's because we haven't went over it with the polish or the buff yet, so that needs to be drawn out a bit. You can still see some of the line in it, but I think it might actually be in the clear what we're looking at, so we may not actually see that gone until we wax it. And the wax, I think, will just be a filler, so after it's washed a couple times, it'll come back and you'll have to re-wax it. It may require like real body work to really fix that properly, but at least to the eye, aesthetically, it's cleaned up considerably from what you guys can tell yesterday. Even back here by the fender, cleaned up real good. But we picked up a couple things today. Let's see what we got in here in the bag. We went to O'Reilly's, by the way. We'll save this one here. Let's see what we got in here. We picked up some more hand pads. These work out real nice. Let's see, what else did he pick up? Okay, he got some more pads for the orbital, but he ended up not using the orbital. The orbital was off the hook like crazy fast. Like you just really can't use it at that speed because you'll burn your clear coat and paint and everything up. So he ended up attaching, he has an attachment for his cordless drill. We ended up putting that on there. We used one of these pads to cover that pad. These are the fine ones, the white ones I do believe, and then I think he got a set of blue ones here also. So he's got those, but he picked this up, which is real nice. This is a foam polishing pad. It's a 6-inch pad. It's made to go right in the bit of your cordless drill. So we have that. That's going to help out quite a bit today, and we'll show you what we did, guys. We're going to go over it, I think, with the fine polish, the white stuff. I don't have it out here right now, but we're going to go over it with that, and we're going to see what we can do, make it shine and gleam. Maybe if we can get rid of that dull and maybe buff out some of the white again. The rest of the truck looks pretty good. It's in good shape. We're going to focus on the scratch a bit, and I'm going to try and polish the wheels up while we're here today, guys. Let's give you a quick look at that here. Alright, guys, like I was saying yesterday, the wheels, they still shine, they still look nice. Neighbor's got a mower out here, guys, sorry. But if you look up close, you can see they're not really cleaned up. They're just shiny anyway, so that's what you're really seeing right now. So come over and look at this one. I think I wiped part of this one off so you can see a little bit of the difference. But you go from this dull to this nice shiny piece. But even if you look up close at this, I didn't really clean it. It's still got these lines in it, so we really want to polish these up nice so they're real shiny. I did this about a month ago, and this is routine maintenance, you know, with these kind of wheels to keep them from pitting and stuff like that. You know, you need to keep your wheels clean if you're going to keep them looking nice, and I do intend to keep these looking nice. So we need to get this stuff off here, get this cleaned up. See where I just wipe it, guys. I don't want to scratch the hell out of it, but see, even where just I wiped it a bit makes a big difference. So I'm going to get those cleaned up, and we'll show you the before and after. I think you guys can tell huge difference. You see here is they are dirty, but in the sunlight they sparkle and shine. They're real nice. But we're gonna get those cleaned up, guys. We're gonna get the rest of that truck cleaned up, and we'll get you guys back with another clip. What up, guys? We are back. The Ford is about finished up in the background. I got the wheels shined up on the Blazer, and we're gonna get you flipped around and give you a look at the wheels on the Blazer, and then we're gonna go over and look at the truck and show you what we did there. Alright, there they are, guys. Our sunshine's about gone, but you can definitely tell the difference in how these things shine so much better. If you look in here, all that nasty stuff is gone. All you see is shine, shine, shine. They look real nice, guys. Real nice. They cleaned up real good. We'll look at this front one up here too. Oh yeah, I wish we still had the sunshine, guys. It'd definitely be a lot of glare coming off this wheel. And that's that. We just rubbed them out. And that's it, guys. We just buffed them out with the turtle wax polishing compound with a rag. And that's it. They cleaned up real easy and real nice. And they shined up real good, as you can tell. Alright, guys, let's take a look at the Ford. You guys remember the scratch, the pinstripe-like scratch all the way down it. We just used what we showed you earlier. We did exactly what we said we did, and this is what it looks like now. Yep, this is it, guys. You can't really even tell that it was ever there. That pinstriping is gone, and it is wetted up. All you can see is my reflection in this thing, and it is jet black. I kind of know where it is, but I have to look really, really close to see it. The dings are still there. That still needs body work. But the scratch is gone, as you guys can see. I do believe it was in this area somewhere, like in here maybe. And I think it was in that region like that, but it's gone. There's definitely no white pinstripe there. So whoever thought he needed the white pinstripe, nice try, guys, but we don't think he needs the white pinstripe. It just doesn't look good on this truck. So that's what we did there, guys. Real simple, real clean. You still see a little bit where it clipped the door. You know, that's just body work. There's no way to fix that, really, with just the wax and the compounds. But the polishing compound and the turtle wax polisher with the buffing pad and the end of a DeWalt drill is pretty much what we used, and it cleaned it right up. You guys can see from different angles, it's gone, gone, gone. And he did this whole side, and it looks real good, real good. Back here where it says 4x4, there's nothing left. You can't even tell it was there. You just see the reflection of our workbench and the barbecues there, and that would have been right here in this area. So all that badging's gone, guys, and that's how we did it. Real simple stuff you can pick up, Walmart, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, that sort. So that's rubbing compound, guys, and that's what it does. Alright, trappers, thanks for coming back. Watch another episode. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that share button, and we'll see you back.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.